I still set the table for two out of habit. Then I stare at your chair like it's some kind of magic, waiting for the wood to creak, for you to sit down. But the only thing moving is the dust in this town. I bought the brand of cereal that you used to like, the one with the honey that tastes like a lie, because it's sitting in the pantry gathering blue, and I can't bring myself to eat it without you. And oh, the hardest part isn't the goodbye, it's the hello I keep saying to the air in the night. It's the shadow of your hand on the passenger seat, and the way that the bed feels like a desert of sheets. I'm a map with no ink, I'm a clock with no gears, just a man drowning slow in a hand for years. Love didn't die, it just went out for a smoke and left me here waiting for the punchline of the joke. I saw your sister at the grocery store. She looked at my feet, then she looked at the floor. She didn't ask how I was, and I'm glad that she didn't, 'cause fine is a word for a life I'm not living. I still haven't washed the blue shirt that you wore. It's hanging like a ghost on the back of the door. It smells like your perfume and a Tuesday in May, before all the forever just drifted away. They say time is a healer, but time is a thief. It steals all the memories and leaves only grief. I'm scared if I move, I'll forget how you laugh, and I'll be left with a hole where I used to have had. Kettle is whistling, but the house is so quiet. I'm still in the kitchen, I'm still gonna try. I'll pour you a cup, let it sit till it's cold. Just a piece of a story that'll never be told. Yeah, it's getting cold, just like me.